viewed from one side of the floor. The third fixed constant to appear in an algebraic expression or a known constant. Denoting the lowest soil horizon, comprising parent materials to a shape like that of a letter C. Spring. 3. To imitate the first note of the diatonic scale of C major, of the major scale having no sharps or flats, a key based on a scale with C as its keynote. 4. A Roman numeral for 100. 5. A high-level computer programming language originally developed for implementing the Unix operating system. 6. 2. Abbreviation. Celsius or centigrade was 29 degrees C at noon. Denoting the third of three or more size of denoting the third of three or more hypothetical people or things. The third highest class of academic purchase, denoting the fourth file from the left of a chessboard is viewed from the right side of the board. The third fixed constant to appear in an algebraic expression or a known constant, denoting the lowest soil horizon, comprising parent materials to a shape like that of a letter C. 3. To take the first note of the diatonic scale of C major, of the major scale having no sharps or flats, a key based on a scale with C as its keynote. 4. A Roman numeral for 100. 5. A high-level computer programming language originally developed for implementing the Unix operating system. 6. Abbreviation. Hey! Paris! Celsius or centigrade. There was 29 degrees C at noon. Abbreviation! It was 29 degrees C at noon. Crystal. Physics capacitance. The chemical element carbon traces. The big C in thermal cancer. Capacitance. Now physics. The ability of a system to store an electric charge. A ratio of the change in an electric charge in a system to the corresponding change in its electric potential. Origin late 19th century from capacity plus carbon. Chemical element of atomic number 6, a non-metal that has two main forms, and that also occurs in impure form in charcoal Suited coal, which in late 19th century from capacity cluster. Carbon in an arc lamp. A piece of carbon paper or carbon copy. 2. Carbon dioxide or other gaseous carbon compounds loaded in coal, soot, and coal. A bike with a carbon frame, a rod of carbon in an arc lamp, a piece of carbon paper or a carbon copy, 2. Carbon dioxide or other gaseous carbon compounds released into the atmosphere. Associated with climate change, the level of carbon in the atmosphere has been consistently rising. Fossil fuel consumption and carbon emissions continue to rise. Compounds of carbon, organic compounds, form the physical basis of all living organisms. Carbon atoms are able to link with each other with other atoms to form chains and rings, and an infinite variety of carbon compounds exist. Carbonless adjective, origin late 18th century, from French carbo, from Latin carbo, carbon coal, charcoal, word trends, no longer just a simple noun for a chemical element. Carbon is now most commonly used as shorthand for carbon dioxide or other carbon compounds released into the atmosphere and associated with climate change. It was first recorded in this sense in 1977 in the phrase carbon emissions, which is still the second most common compound noun containing carbon in the